Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Students, our today's task is to write ordinal numbers. Dear students,
what do you mean by an ordinal number? The ordinal number shows the position of an object. Let us learn about the ordinal numbers. There are 10 animals living near this pond. They have organized a running race today. All of them are standing at the start position. The race begins. The horse and the dog are running very fast. They complete the race and are at the first and second positions respectively. The camel and the elephant are running quite fast. They are third and fourth respectively to complete the race. The bear is at the fifth position and the cow is at the sixth position. The sheep and the rabbit look tired. They have reached the finishing point at the seventh and eighth positions respectively. The tortoise and the pig are running very slowly. They are ninth and 10th respectively. With this, the race ends.
now write ordinal numbers. Students, write practice here and write ordinal numbers here. First, F, I, R, S, T. First, write in numbers 1, S and T. First. Now write second, S, E, C, O, M, D. Second. 2, M, D. Second. Now write third, T, H, I, R, D. Third. Write in numbers 3, R, D. Third. Now write fourth, F, O, U, R, T, H. Fourth. Write in numbers 4, T, H. Fourth. Now fifth, F, I, F, T, H. Fifth. Write in numbers 5, T, H. Fifth. Now sixth, S, I, X, T, H. Sixth. Write in numbers 6, T, H. Sixth. Now seventh, S, E, V, E, N, T, H. Seventh. Now in numbers 7, T, H. Seventh. Now eighth, E, I, G, H, T, H. Eighth. Now in numbers 8, T, H. Eighth. Now ninth, N, I, N, T, H. Ninth. 9, T, H. Ninth. Now 10th, T, E, N, T, H. 10th. 1, 0, 10 and TH. 10th. Students, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. These are ordinal numbers. Do practice at home. Allah Hafiz.